1.5 years ago, we were approached by Intuitive Machines in Houston, Texas, and they are the company that builds the satellite that's going to actually land on the moon. And they had already been on a path to get the propellant tanks for that system, but could not achieve the results they were looking for. And they approached us and asked if we could take a stab at this, see if we can make these tanks. We came into this pretty late, but we were able to build some prototypes and still delivered the first tank to them, functional, faster than previous people had even done. Well, now you have to qualify to go to space. You're going to be sitting on a Falcon 9 for SpaceX, and they have, of course, a whole row of requirements, what you need to demonstrate that you can be on a vehicle like that. And then you have the actual satellite provider, which is Intuitive Machines, and then you have the launch range, and they have their safety folks in there. So we had to pass over 150 different tests just to get that stamp flight unit. If we have the highest level of approval, like to go to space or to land on the moon, that's about the highest qualification grade that you can achieve with any product. And then it's kind of rubber stamped for almost anything else. Next step is we would like to see the rocket take off, get to an orbit, get to where it can prepare to land on the moon. That's of course a difficult part, which of course other people will be in charge of. It'll have a set of the tanks that we'll be looking at on the satellite for the propulsion system, which will be there for steering and for landing on the moon. And beyond that, there's definitely a multiple path approach to translate this technology and what we've developed into uses that are outside our industry. That can be medical, can be industrial, can be an oxygen bottle in a fighter jet, can be a little breathing apparatus for a child. It can be the bottle that opens the door on an emergency chute for a large airplane. So there's a wide range of applications where we can benefit from this technology that we're just beginning to explore now.